Hopefully I'm not too red. Welcome to Man-rays Tech Vlogs and more. So right now, I'm using the built-in sound on my camera. And this time it's very close to me, as you can see. And for once I have human tracker on, so hopefully you can see me. So today I'm just going to be comparing my different my screen's turned off from the small one, so now I have to make sure I look right at it. So I have to, today I'm going to do a comparison built-in sound compared to my wireless microphone. I got two, but I'm only use one. My new microphone that I've just plugged into my new interface. I can't see it right now. Where is it? Someone behind me. But see this one here. This RØDE mic. Hopefully you can see it. This thing. So this is what I use when I'm outside and doing stuff. And this is what I've been using when I had my Sony. Right? It's like £59. Then I've got this here. I'll show you. Oh, look at that. Finally Panasonic is keeping up. Got enough light and I'm very close. So got these Hollyland microphones in here. As you can maybe see. That's what it looks like. I'm only gonna, my review or my comparison is gonna count as only one of them, because two of them cost more than my microphone and my RØDE mic put together. So you can buy just one, and that's about £59. So that will be my comparison. This by itself, not two of them in this nice charger pack. And then the last thing I'm going to be using. Pick me up. Is this? This way. Is this right here? Hopefully it's picking it up well. It's got XLR on the back and USB. And look at that, it's actually tracking it for once. It's amazing. So this costs £59. One of these, a Hollyland things costs £59. And this RØDE mic here costs £59. So be a good comparison. And this is the built-in sound, very close to my face. Very close to my face. Let's do that now. What more will I use first? How am I doing this? I guess I can just connect it. I think it will change to the new audio. And I'm not going to do a side-by-side comparison. I'm literally just going to play it and you can skip through to see what one sounds better or sounds worse. Maybe? I don't know. Or maybe I will do a side-by-side. But yeah, I think I'll cut away from this first clip, the introduction, and then I'll do some comparisons. So see you in less than a second. RØDE mic. Eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipop, pom, pear, push. That's the RØDE mic, people. RØDE mic, links below. Built-in sound for real this time. Eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipop, pom, pear, push. Built-in sound for my G9 Panasonic. Just gonna show you me plugging it in. So when you wanna use it on your camera, come on, you can do it, honey. Come on, yeah. Right, okay, just put my face next to it. Does that work? Okay, there it is. That's a receiver by a little cable. Yeah. Let me just plug it in. Kind of hangs off. Kind of hangs off the thing. Kind of just hangs off the thing. So here's the mic. This is my Hollyland microphone. Eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipoppa, pom, pear, push. So this is Hollyland wireless microphone. I think it's Mark 1 or M1. I'll put links below and I'll put stuff above to show what I'm using. Screen send off again on my camera. I hate it does that, but yeah, that's that one. Next will be my microphone. Hello people. So this is me using my XLR this time instead of through the USB. So eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipoppa, pom, pear, push. Let me try the vintage mode now. Give me a second. I'm staying on the camera. So vintage. Eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipoppa, pom, pear, push. How's that sound, people? Any better? With the vintage mode, I wonder. And then let me try. 48-volt. I've turned it off now. Eeny, meeny, macka, racka, rare, ride, dominaka, chili, lollipoppa, pom, pear, push. So, how did all of my things sound compared to each other? All of them are in the same price range. All do very different things though. One is a wireless microphone. One is a directional microphone, you know, the RØDE mic. And then there's this one, and I forget what it's called, but it's made to have less noise from the background and things like that. And I'll put all the links below and the prices next to them, and you can see what one you like. This is without me adjusting the equalizers, adjusting this, adjusting that, adjusting the gain. All these things will go straight onto my DaVinci and then straight onto the video. All right, share, like, and subscribe. Peace.